Being a creative and for the most part interesting token, Nexo can really flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected. It certainly has been very famous recently, or so they essentially thought. Individuals essentially are contemplating whether it is certainly worth putting resources into Nexo. And what's on the horizon for this cash? In this video, we will show you our Nexo value forecast and offer why we for the most part think it is a wise venture, which really is very huge. Nexo outline. Made in 2018. Nexo in a real sense is a digital money in light of the Ethereum blockchain. It generally involves the ERC20 token in every practical sense. Standard. Nexo flaunts truly many elements that especially make it exceptionally interesting and a very wise venture, or so they basically thought. Here generally are some of them, which is genuinely critical. Nexo offers moment credits to individuals who need to involve their digital forms of money as especially guarantee. This sort of means you can acquire cash against your crypto possessions without having to sell them for the most part. Nexo, all things considered, has an organization with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations. This gives Nexo much validity and shows that it for the most part is staying put. Nexo pays interest on all stores made on their foundation. This in every practical sense is an extremely extraordinary approach to in a real sense procure automated revenue, and one reason why we in every way that really matters think Nexo is a genuinely strong venture decision in an unobtrusive manner. The interest for moment credits involving digital currencies as fundamentally guarantee especially is developing. And Nexo generally is one of the noticeable stages here in an unpretentious manner. Nexo specialized examination, which basically is genuinely critical, as per verifiable information. Nexo appears to essentially be a digital money with mooning potential, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. It answers well to crypto market changes and certainly has sufficient pattern backing to in every practical sense shoot up in esteem amazingly. The Nexo token right now just basically has half of its all-out supply available for use in a genuinely significant manner. The digital money's market capitalization in a real sense is inside the really top 100 on CoinMarketCap. These things highlight Nexo having ideal long-haul possibilities in an unpretentious manner. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed in continuous, which really is genuinely critical. On the off chance that it essentially is giving a purchase signal, the very latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost really is somewhat prone to ascend sooner rather than later in a fundamentally significant manner. In the event that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo digital money could generally go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo value expectation 2022, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2022, the truly least expensive Nexo will be 68 cents in a significant manner. The most extreme level that the NEXO cost can reach is 74 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 71 cents. NEXO value figure for November 2022 in a very significant manner. In light of the value changes of Nexo toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the genuinely normal NEXO pace of 69 cents in November 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 63 cents and at 71 cents, individually, in opposition to prevalent thinking. December 2022, Nexo value gauge amazingly. Cryptographic money specialists are somewhat prepared to generally declare their gauge for the NEXO cost in December 2022 in an unpretentious way. The base exchanging cost could truly be 68 cents, while the most extreme could reach 74 cents during this month, or so they thought. Overall, it explicitly is normal that the worth of Nexo could generally be around 71 cents. Nexo value expectation 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the especially least cost of Nexo will in a real sense be around $1.05. The most certainly greatest expected NEXO cost might be around $1.22. Overall, the exchanging cost could generally be $1.08 in 2023, which is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2024, NEXO explicitly is supposed to have the accompanying especially least and greatest cost, about $1.53 and $1.80. Separately, which especially is very critical truly. The especially normal expected exchanging cost basically is $1.59. Nexo value expectation 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Nexo and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the kind of least Nexo cost could drop to $2.20, while its fundamentally greatest can explicitly reach $2.75, which basically is very critical. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $2.28. Nexo Value Expectation 2026, which basically is very critical. In view of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying especially most extreme and least Nexo costs really are normal in 2026. $3.80 and $3.04. By and large, it will fundamentally be exchanged at $3.16 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists basically are continually examining the changes of Nexo. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical Nexo cost will be around $4.59, which really is genuinely critical. It could drop to a for the most part least of $4.46, yet it actually could reach $5.37 all through 2027. Nexo Value Expectation 2028 consistently. Cryptographic money specialists in a real sense plan conjectures at the cost of Nexo. It is assessed that Nexo will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $6.36 and $7.70 in 2028. Its genuinely normal expense for the most part is normal at around $6.54 during the year, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. Digital currency experts are prepared to in a real sense report their assessments of the Nexo's cost, which generally is very critical. The year 2029 still up in the air by the truly most extreme Nexo cost of $10.92. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $8.70 in an unpretentious manner. Thus, the normal in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost is $8.96 in a kind of large manner. Nexo Value Expectation 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Following quite a while of examination of the Nexo cost, crypto specialists in a real sense are extremely prepared to especially give their Nexo cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for no less than $12.79, with the by and large conceivable kind of most extreme tops at $15.02 in a genuinely significant manner. Overall, you can especially anticipate that the Nexo cost should for the most part be around $13.15 in 2030. Nexo Value Forecast 2031 in an unobtrusive manner. Cryptographic money investigators are somewhat prepared to declare their assessments of the Nexo's cost basically. The year 2031 will in every practical, not entirely set in stone by the essentially most extreme Nexo cost of $22.16, which sort of is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $18.58. In this way, the normal fundamentally normal exchanging cost basically is $19.11 in an unobtrusive manner. What amount will Nexo be by and large worth later on? This really is difficult to anticipate as everything relies upon the economic situations and long stretches of time to come, which generally is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding, we in every practical sense expect that Nexo explicitly has especially much potential and could be worth very much later on.